Welcome to our channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Hope all is well. We are here to show you how to create a Facebook cover. We know that a lot of freelancers in Fiverr are earning a decent side income just by creating Facebook covers for their clients. And you can also start this side gig even if you're a beginner. So we'd like to show you how to easily create a Facebook cover using Canva.com. Well, you can create a free account. It's up to you if you want to upgrade to Pro, but the free account actually gives you a whole lot of choices already. They have a lot of free templates, free images, and free elements that you can work on. This is also good for beginners, especially if you want to enter the world of freelancing. So we are here on the Canva dashboard. All you have to do is go to canva.com, but it's easier if you'll go to the menu here on top. You can see some categories: social media, personal, business, marketing, education, trending. So under social media, we'll click on Facebook covers, and you will see that the templates will appear on your dashboard. So you can see if you hover on the templates, you will see if it's under the Pro account, it says paid. If it's free, well, you can see that it's free here. So for example, you are into the business of selling cookies, for example. You'll just have to choose what color you like and what you think would suit you best when creating your Facebook cover or a Facebook cover for a client. This looks nice. It's related to food, so let's just choose this one for the sake of this tutorial. And then you click on use this template, and it takes you actually directly to your dashboard, and the template is automatically imported to your canvas here. This is your canvas, and on the left side is your tools panel that contains templates, elements. You can upload your own images here. You can choose free stock images, and you can also choose your fonts. So this really looks nice. If you want to change your template, you can just search, go over the templates here that was shown. It automatically placed here on your canvas. So let's say, for example, I don't like this element here. Okay, this is like a teeth here. I don't want this element as well. You can delete that. You just have to, let's do that again. On top of this is the undo button that you can use just in case you want to undo what you just did. Alright, so let's do that again. Click on the element that you don't like. On your keyboard, click the delete button. If you want to bring it back, click the undo button, or on your keyboard you can just press Ctrl Z. So delete. I don't want that. Maybe you don't want that. Delete, and you can just change this to, let's try if it looks good on what you're doing. Cookie. Let's just place there cookie. And this one looks good as well. You can just place here on sale this month. Looks better. And then you can change the color of the background if you'd like. You can change to black or just white. You can undo that if you don't want that. I think this one looks good. And then let's look for a really nice image that we can place as a background. So you can go to photos. Let's look for an image of a cookie. Oh, there you go, and it says free, right? So just click on that. It automatically gets imported to your canvas, and you just have to drag this on any of the on the sides. It's either on top or on this side here. You can just move it there. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out your view of what you are doing, on this slide below, there you go. You can easily, view what you are doing based on your preference. Okay, so this slide here increases or decreases your view of your work. Alright, so this looks good. You can choose, double click on that, you can choose where to position your image. Alright, double click on that if you want to reposition your image. Okay, it's up to you. Done. Looks good. And I want to set the transparency of the image here. You can just go here. It says transparency on top, and you can just set the transparency to, let's say, 40. Okay, if you think this is good enough, you can save this. You can just click on the download button. But I think we need, for the sake of this tutorial, let's change this one. You can actually delete this one if you don't like this. Right, or you can undo and put your details here. For example, for only good while supply lasts. Let's check all the other elements. For example, you want to add more design to it, you can just click for lines. See, you have a lot of shapes here that you can use. So let's use the circle one. Just click on that. Gets imported to your canvas. So you can just change the color here on top. You can choose this one perhaps. Yes, you can drag it here. You can increase the size, and then you can click right click on your mouse and bring this. You can click send to back. There you go. And let's set the transparency to let's see what's really nice here. You can duplicate the image here. You can just click copy and then right click again, paste it, and you can just change the color to the original one perhaps. Let's use black. There, the transparency is set to 34 as well. We can adjust that. Alright, and it's on. You can send it on the back, to the back I mean. Well, that looks good, I think. You can change the color if you like. Go to the original one. There. You can upload. Let's show you how to upload your own image. This is the one I uploaded. Just go click on upload media and go to your device there. Click device and choose an image that you like. My own image. Just go back here. Click on that, and I just want to use the cookie. Alright, so you can click on the crop button there, so you can just choose the image that you like. Well, you can buy some really nice images and logos and elements from Creative Fabrica. This is where I got this. Okay, and they actually sell a lot of really nice fonts and graphics. You can also download some resources for free. just go to creativefabrica.com. The link is placed on the description of this video, so please check that out. So there you go, the cookie image. I would like to resize that, drag it here, maybe place that here. Alright, and then copy and paste. That's Control V and Control, or that's Control C and Control V for paste. Or you can just easily right click your mouse and click copy and right click again anywhere and click paste there. Alright, you can resize the image here, put it there. Alright, make it smaller, place it there. And yes, you can put cookie in here and copy and paste again. Control copy, Control V on your keyboard. You can resize it based on your liking. If you're satisfied with your design, you can just click on outside of the canvas and drag. You will see all the elements, you know, being highlighted, and you release your mouse, and then all you need to do is group that. Okay, everything. So lock everything. Save this. Let's close the panel here as your final design. So we'll just click on PNG, high quality. If you want a smaller size, you can just click JPEG. Alright, so the transparent background and the compressed file feature is a pro feature of Canva.com. If you want to upgrade, you can also do that. So click on download. Yeah, just click on the download button. So just go to your downloads folder and you will see it's been downloaded to your computer. Okay, so it looks like this. There you go. So that's your final design. So I guess that's about it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can also view this full screen. Alright, there you go. Exit full screen. On the lower right corner of your dashboard, you can see the expand icon there. So thank you so much for watching this video. We have more videos coming your way. So we'll be seeing you on the next. Bye for now and take care, everyone.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.